Hello, welcome to Emmanuel Mathsacademy. So we have a problem on the board. We want to evaluate this surd, right? Root 2 plus root 3 times root 4 plus 5, right? So solution. So what's the first thing we do? What's the idea behind this? We'll be using the first term here to distribute this and this, and also use the second term to distribute this and this, right? So what do we mean? We're actually using this first term to expand, right? So this multiplied by the first term, this also multiplied by the second. Then you also use the second term to multiply the first here, and use the second to multiply the second. Is that right? Now, watch me. From this, we have root 2 into what? Root 4 plus 5, right? Plus root 3 into what? You distribute into what? Root 4 plus 5. Is that clear? So this is more easier to understand, right? So root 3, okay, root 2 times root 4 will give you what? Root 8. Right? Because they are having roots. So you'll be multiplying this and this. 2 times 4 will give you 8. Plus root 2 times 5 will give you what? 5 root 2. Then we come to this side. You have plus root 3 times root 4 will give you what? Root 12. Plus root 3 times 5 will give you what? 5 root 3. Right? Good. So what do we do next? How do we expand next? Okay. We have root 8 here, root 2, root 12. So none of them have the same roots. So that means you'll be leaving our answer this way. But had it been any of them have the same root, maybe you have root 2 here and root 2 here, then you can actually add them together to give you maybe 6 root 2. Is that clear? But in absence of that, this is your answer. Right? This is your answer in absence of having any of the roots being equal.